Hello and welcome in our YouTube channel Metallurgical Facts. So in this video we will do one numerical problem from this transport phenomena, or you can say this is a mixture of question of extractive metallurgy and transport processes. Okay, so the question is the terminal velocity V of a spherical inclusion of diameter, that is D is equals to 50 micrometers rising in liquid steel is in mm per second. So this is the question. They are asking about terminal velocity, that is V. Okay, and the diameter of particle is given. So this D is 50 micrometers, means 10 to the power minus 6 in meters. Okay, so from here we can change this D in R value. Okay, so this is 25 into 10 to the power minus 6 meters. Okay, and the next values are assuming Stokes law, that is drag force Fd is equals to given, that is 3 pi mu d rho. So this mu we can replace by eta, that is also known as viscosity. Okay, so this is sign notation problem. You can represent it by mu or by theta also. Okay, so where mu is the viscosity of liquid, here they have given. So the given data is density of liquid steel. So density of liquid steel means rho s is given, or rho ls you can write like that. Okay, so 7900 kg per meter cube. So this value is given, and viscosity of liquid steel is also given, means rho eta s is also given, that is 0.0079 pascal second. Okay, so this rho s means rho of liquid steel is given, and eta s, that is viscosity of liquid steel is also given, and density of inclusion is, so density of inclusion, that is rho or d rho I, we can write rho I because inclusion, density of inclusion, so 2500. Okay, so the next thing is acceleration due to gravity is also given, so g value is also given here. So these all data are given, but the question is that the tricky point is here, that they are asking terminal point in terminal velocity in mm per seconds. Okay, and we need to also assume the Stokes law. So how we can find the terminal velocity by assuming the Stokes law? There is a formula, I will tell you here. Okay, so v is equals to 2 by 9 rho l minus rho I by eta, that is eta s in this case. Okay, multiplied by g r square. Okay, so this rho l is basically, here rho s you can write rho s, so rho s is 7900, rho I is given, eta s is also given, g is also given, r is also given. So we can find easily this v value. Okay, so so how we can find 2 by 9 multiplied by, so this value, that is 7900 minus 2500, this much value is given, 0.0079 multiplied by 9.8 multiplied by 25 into 10 power minus 6 r square, that is radius. Okay, so this value is given here, so we can calculate easily one by one, step by step. Okay, so that you can avoid the silly mistakes here. 73 multiplied by 9.8 multiplied by 625 multiplied by 10 power minus 12. Okay, so from here we will get v value 930.37 into 10 to power minus 6. Okay, so this is basically in uh, meter per second. Okay, so all values we are taking in meters, so that's why this will come in meters per second. Okay, so v value will be equals to 0.930, so 0.930 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 3. So why we are doing this? Because in this question they are asking unit in mm per second, but we are finding this value in meters per second. So for changing it into meter mm per second, we are doing like this. Okay, so this much value is in mm. Okay, so we can write like that, 0.930 mm per second. Why? Because 1 meter is equals to 10 to the power minus 3. uh, this is nanometers. Okay, so sorry, 1 meter is equals to 10 power 3 mm. Okay, so this is the correct answer for this question. So the question is very easy, but people can do silly mistakes while changing the unit. Okay, and sometimes due to the excitement you can forget this value, or if due to the exam pressure you may forget that they are asking in mm per second, but you are calculating in meter per second. So these are the things you need to check again and again in every question while you are doing questions in GATE exam. Okay, so this is the easy concept, easy question, but you may do the mistakes, that is silly mistakes, in various way. Okay, so this is the way of avoiding silly mistakes. Do step by step questions. Okay, so the correct answer is 0.930 mm per second. Thank you guys for your attention. Hope you have understood this question and hope you have learned something new in this video. We'll come with more questions in our upcoming videos. Please try to put your problems on our Instagram page. We will solve those questions one by one. Thank you.